construction of the gear in the SolidWorks. It starts with the opening of the toolbox. Design library, toolbox, adding now. In the content, okay, select the system and go to the power transmission, some gear. Select the type of gear by pressing and holding down left mouse button. Drag onto the state and waiting for the downloading the setting. Release left mouse button and waiting some moment. Gear properties dialog box and configure. Set diameter, number of tests, face width, maybe 5. And OK. And cancel and set component.